let's talk psychology-led nutrition because I want to explain what it is. I have a degree in psychology and a master's in nutrition. Psychology-led nutrition basically means understanding the behavior that drives our biology. Restriction increases obsession, stress alters digestion, scarcity changes dopamine signaling, and sleep loss alters our appetite hormone. If you ignore psychology, you're never going to live a healthy life that you can sustain. And that's exactly why I integrate behavioral science with metabolic physiology. Because food choices are really just about nutrients. They're learned, conditioned, and reinforced. And when we address each layer, change becomes easier and health gets unlocked. If you're actually looking to implement health habits that you can do sustainably for the rest of your life, then follow along. See you soon.